If you want to remove memory card or microSD card from a Realme 14T, then of course we need to open the SIM tray, which we have at the bottom. To eject the SIM tray, we need to use the eject tool, this pin tool, and we need to insert this pin tool into this hole, this SIM tray hole. Make sure that it is this hole, not this one, because this over here between the SIM tray and the port is the microphone. This is the microphone. So insert it over here and push it in with a little bit of force. You don't have to use too much. And once it pops out just slightly, then you should be able to use your fingernails in order to completely remove the SIM tray. There we go. Now over here, of course, we have our SD card. In order to remove it, you should be able to grab it from one of these sides, I believe, with your fingernails. And it should go out pretty easily. And that's all. Of course, after that, we need to insert the SIM tray back into the phone. So SIM 1 is the front, this is the face up side. And we need to just push it in with our finger. Make sure that it is fully in. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!